Guys, today we're talking about the Ottoman Empire. Question number one says, who is the leader that unites the people in modern day Turkey? Number two, when did the Ottoman Empire conquer Constantinople? And number three, use the internet to find the location of Constantinople, modern day Istanbul, and describe where it is. Growing empire. In the 1200s, groups of Islamic nomads from Central Asia began to move into the Anatolian Peninsula, modern-day Turkey, and gained power. These groups began to unify under a leader named Osman and became known as the Ottomans. The Ottomans slowly gained territory in Eastern Roman Empire, then called the Byzantine Empire, and attacked the city of Constantinople several times. Finally, in 1453, the Ottomans conquered Constantinople and made it the center of an empire that will last in some form for nearly 500 years. Paragraph 2. Question 4. Give 3 details from the reading about Janissaries. The military strength of the Ottoman Empire came from its skilled corps of soldiers, led by an elite group called Janissaries. These soldiers were young war captives, usually from Christian families, who were taken away to receive special training. They converted to Islam, learned to read and write, and became skilled warriors. The Janissaries were considered a property of the Ottoman Emperor, or Sultan, and served him directly. The Janissaries who excelled were promoted to the highest levels of government. The Golden Age. 5. What was Sultan Selim's title? 6. If you had to give yourself a title, what would it be? The Golden Age. The Ottoman army conquered much of the Islamic world. After the fall of Constantinople, the armies spread through Greece and the Balkans into Europe, across North Africa, and into the Arabian Peninsula. By 1519, the Ottoman Sultan, Salman I, controlled the Muslim holy cities of Mecca and Medina, earning him the title of Servant of Mecca and Medina. Question 7. What 2 titles did Ottoman Sultan Suleiman have? And question 8. When did Suleiman die? In the 1520s, a young sultan named Suleiman took over the empire. Suleiman boldly pushed the limits of his empire to the west and the east, attacking the city of Vienna in modern-day Austria and capturing the cities of Baghdad and Basra in modern-day Iraq. He became well known in Europe as Suleiman the Magnificent because of his wealth and power. In his own kingdom, he was called Suleiman the Lawgiver because he improved the justice system. His death came in 1566. Decline. Question 9. From the reading, which one of the reasons for the Ottoman Empire decline do you think was the most significant and why? Decline. Many historians see the death of Suleiman in 1566 as the beginning of the long, slow decline of the Ottoman Empire. Over the next several hundred years, Europeans found new trade routes. This meant they did not have to deal with the Ottoman traders, which weakened the Ottoman economy. Rebellions inside the Janissary Corps and the power struggle in the elite families weakened the government. The empire shrank as lands were conquered by rivals. Still, the empire persisted until 1923, when the sultans finally gave up power and the Republic of Turkey was established. All right, go ahead and answer those 9 questions if you would, please.